In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Samsung tablet as laptop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the main way to convert your Samsung tablet and essentially use it as a laptop. This can be convenient if you would like to have an even more compact way to take notes during study sessions, to take it to work, and so on. You will be able to use the features available on any Samsung tablet model like a desktop, and all that you have to do is purchase this optional keyboard. Of course, this is optional, and if you don't want to use this, you don't have to, but this will enable Samsung DeX to be used, which is the primary way to access this standalone desktop-like mode. All that you have to do is physically place the tablet in the keyboard, and once it is properly connected, you will be able to press the function key plus the DeX button, as you can see here. And this will give you this expanded view of your Samsung device. As you can clearly see, it looks like Windows. So you have your desktop with the icons and shortcuts over here. You will be able to open all of them by using these buttons at the bottom left, and then you have the system tray at the bottom right. Like I said, this is a very desktop-like or very Windows-like experience, and it is going to be the primary way to use it as a laptop by using Samsung DeX. Alternatively, you can also connect Bluetooth peripherals like a keyboard, mouse, and even an S Pen by physically placing it at the back of your Samsung tablet, and then you can connect your tablet to an external display. Usually this will be done with the proper cables, such as USB-C to HDMI. As long as you can set up the connection to an external display, you can also essentially use it as a laptop or PC. But if you want to have the portability, then the best course of action would be to purchase this additional keyboard by Samsung. This is an official Samsung product, and like I mentioned, it allows you to have full access to DeX, which gives you the Windows-like experience. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Samsung tablet as laptop. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.